Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin's Way. Today I am going to make Khaman Dhokla. For that I have taken 1 cup of besan, that is chickpea flour, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon citric acid, 1 packet regular, oil, curry leaves, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, green chutney, 1 plate greased, water I have kept for boiling in the steamer. Now we will add the sugar, citric acid, salt in this, and we'll mix it well. Now add little water little by little and make a batter of this. Without forming the lumps in it. Add 1 teaspoon of in it. Mix well. After adding the mix well gently. The batter will rise. Instead of you can add baking powder also. Pour it in the greased plate. Just pat it. The water is hot. Place it in the steamer and steam it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let us check whether it is cooked or not. Insert a knife. It's coming clean. Yes, it's coming clean. So it is cooked. Now we'll switch off the gas and take this out and allow it to cool. The dhokla is cooked nicely and I have cut it also. Now tempering. After it becomes cool down, we have to temper it. Oil 2 tablespoons. Here I have taken pinch of asafoetida and sesame seed. This is my personal choice. Cumin seeds, green chilli slit, curry leaves, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves and green chilli, and the sesame seed and asafoetida. We'll switch off the gas. We'll put 1/4 cup of water in it. If you want, you can put sugar also in this little bit. We'll add this into the dhokla. This is for keeping the dhokla moist. The dhokla is ready here to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.